Once again, welcome to you, my dear student. Today, I will teach you class 10th English Literature First Flight, chapter 3rd, the second story, The Black Aeroplane. So that let us start to read this chapter. The moon was coming up in the east behind me. चांद जो था वो पूर्व की दिशा में मेरी तरफ आ रहा था. एंड स्टार्स वर शाइनिंग इन द क्लियर स्काई अबव मी. और जो तारे थे वो मेरे ऊपर चमक रहे थे आकाश में तारे मेरे ऊपर चमक रहे थे. देयर वॉज नॉट अ क्लाउड इन द स्काई. आकाश में कोई भी बादल नहीं दिख रहा था. द मून वॉज कमिंग अप. द मून वॉज राइजिंग अप इन द ईस्ट बिहाइंड द पायलट. And stars were also brightening in the clear sky above him. There wasn't a cloud in the sky. आकाश में बादल नहीं दिख रहे थे. I was happy to be alone high up above the sleeping countryside. I was happy, मैं बहुत खुश था, to be alone, अकेला, high up above the sleeping countryside, उस सोते हुए शहर के ऊपर मैं जो है अकेला बहुत ही खुश था. द पायलट वॉज वेरी हैप्पी टू बी एलॉन बिकॉज ही वॉज फ्लाइंग अ डकोटा एरोप्लेन अबव द स्लीपिंग कंट्री साइड. आई वॉज फ्लाइंग माई ओल्ड डकोटा एरोप्लेन ओवर फ्रांस बैक टू इंग्लैंड. आई वॉज फ्लाइंग, में उड़ा रहा था, माई ओल्ड डकोटा, अपने पुराने डकोटा वाई-1 को, ओवर फ्रांस के ऊपर, बैक टू इंग्लैंड वापस आने के लिए. आई वॉज ड्रीमिंग ऑफ माई हॉलीडेज. आई वॉज ड्रीमिंग, मैं स्वप्न देख रहा था, ऑफ माई हॉलीडे, अपने छुट्टी के दिनों का, एंड लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड, और मैं अपने सामने देख रहा था, टू बी बीइंग विथ माई फैमिली, कि मैं मैं अपने परिवार के बीच होऊंगा कुछ समय में. आई लुक्ड एट माई वॉच 1:30 in the morning. That moment when he saw his watch, it was the time of 1:30 in the morning. I should call Paris control soon. The pilot said that he should call Paris control soon, immediately. I thought means the pilot concerned that he must be call Paris control soon. उसने सोचा कि उसे शीघ्र ही पेरिस कंट्रोल से संपर्क करना चाहिए. एज आई लुक डाउन पास्ट द नोज ऑफ द एरोप्लेन, व्हेन ही सा पास्ट द नोज ऑफ द एरोप्लेन, जैसे ही उसने एरोप्लेन के सामने देखा, ही सा द लाइट ऑफ अ बिग सिटी इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिम, तो उसने अपने सामने एक बड़े शहर के उस प्रकाश को देखा. देन ही सा द लाइटनिंग ऑफ द बिग सिटी इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिम. आई स्विच्ड ऑन द रेडियो, मैंने रेडियो को स्विच ऑन किया. एंड सेड, और कहा, पेरिस कंट्रोल डकोटा DS088 हियर. पेरिस कंट्रोल डकोटा DS088 हियर. कैन यू हियर मी, क्या आप मुझे सुन रहे हैं? आई एम ऑन वे टू इंग्लैंड, मैं इंग्लैंड के रास्ते पर हूँ, यानी मैं इंग्लैंड जा रहा हूँ. ओवर मीन्स समाप्त होता है. The voice from the radio answered me immediately. The voice from the radio responded him at once. DS088, I can hear you. You are to turn 12 degrees west now. DS088 over. The control room informed the pilot. Yes, he was here. Him. So the control room gave a direction to him to turn 12 degree west now. उसने कहा कि अब आप 12 डिग्री पश्चिम की तरफ मुड़ जाओ. I checked the map and the compass, switched over to my second and last fuel tank, and turned the Dakota 12 degree west towards England. The pilot changed the direction of his Dakota aeroplane according to the direction of the Paris control. Till I'll be in time for breakfast, I thought. The pilot concerned in his mind he would be in time for breakfast with his family, a good big English breakfast. He would take a good big English breakfast. Everything was going well. Everything was going so very well. It was an easy flight. It was so and comfortable flight. Paris was about 150 kilometers behind him. The pilot left Paris 150 kilometers behind him when he saw the clouds. I saw the clouds. मैंने बादलों को देखा. Storm clouds, तूफानी बादल थे. They were huge. They were very big. They looked like a black mountain standing before him across the sky. उसने देखा कि उसके सामने बड़े बड़े काले काले बादल जो पहाड़ जैसे खड़े हुए थे. I knew I could not fly up and over them. He concerned that he was not succeeded to fly up and over them. Over them means the huge mountains, mountain like clouds. And I did not have enough fuel to fly around them to the north or south. और मेरे पास इतना ईंधन नहीं था कि मैं नॉर्थ और साउथ डायरेक्शन में उन पहाड़ों को घूम करके आगे निकल सकूं. He had not sufficient fuel in his aeroplane, so that he must be move around them to the north or south. I ought to go back Paris. I thought I ought to go back to Paris. I thought the pilot concerned that he ought to go to back to Paris. उसे पेरिस चले जाना चाहिए. But I wanted to get home. लेकिन वह घर जाना चाहता. But the pilot wanted to go to his home, go home. I wanted that breakfast. He wanted to take breakfast with his family, so that I'll take the risk. The pilot take the risk. I thought and flew that old Dakota straight into the storm. So that he decided that he must be flew his Dakota straight into the storm. Inside the cloud, everything was suddenly black. Inside the cloud, everything was suddenly black. It was impossible to see anything outside the aeroplane. It was impossible to see anything outside the aeroplane. एरोप्लेन के बाहर देखना सब कुछ असंभव था. It was not easy to see anything outside the aeroplane. The old aeroplane jumped and twisted in the air. जो पुराना वायुयान था वह हवा में जंप कूदने लगा. एंड ट्विस्टेड मीन्स ऐंठने लगा. इन द एयर मीन्स हवा में. द ओल्ड एरोप्लेन जम्प्ड एंड ट्विस्टेड इन द एयर हियर एंड देयर. आई लुक्ड एट द compass. The pilot said that when he saw the compass, it could not believe. The pilot could not believe about the condition of the compass. My eyes, I could not believe my eyes. मेरी आंखें विश्वास नहीं कर सकती थी. The compass was turning round and round and round. It means the compass did not work so properly. It was dead. It would not work. The other instruments were suddenly dead. Too, I tried the radio. The compass in the aeroplane did not work so properly, and the next remaining instruments were also suddenly dead. So that the pilot tried to get the message with the help of his radio. Paris control, can you hear me? There was no answer. Paris control, can you hear me? Paris control, क्या आप मुझे सुन सकते हैं? There was no answer. He did not get any answer. The radio was dead too. रेडियो भी क्या हो गया था? डेड हो गया था, एकदम बेकार हो गया था. I had no radio, no compass. I could not see where I go. I was. All instruments were dead, so that he could not see anything, and he did not concern where he was. I was lost in the storm. The pilot was lost in the storm. वह तूफान में खो गया था. Then in the black clouds quite near me. Then in the black, तभी एक, इन द ब्लैक, उस ब्लैक क्लाउड्स क्वाइट नियर मी. नियर मीन्स नज़दीक. तब वो जो ब्लैक बादल थे पूरे मेरे समीप थे. I saw another aeroplane. That moment I saw another aeroplane. It had no lights on its wings. उसके पंखों में कोई भी प्रकाश नहीं था. He saw that there was no any lights on the second aeroplane's wings, but I could see it fly next to me through the storm. लेकिन मैं उसे अपने सामने उस घने बादलों के बीच उड़ते हुए देख सकता था. द राइटर सेड दैट ही वाज सक्सीडेड टू सी द नेक्स्ट एरोप्लेन इन दैट डेंजरस स्टॉर्म. आई कुड सी द पायलट्स फेस. मैं पायलट के फेस को देख सकता था. टर्न टूवर्ड्स मी, जो मेरे तरफ अपना चेहरे किए हुए था. I was very glad to see another person. That moment the pilot said that he was very happy, very cheerful to see another person. He filled one hand and waved. He lifted one hand. The pilot lifted his one hand and waved and moved. Moved or thanked the pilot of the next aeroplane. So that is the explanation of this story, and remaining story will be explained in next video. So that thank you and have a nice day.